So what we will do, we will make the division here. 9 is divisor. Read the table of 9 near about 29. 9 3s are 27 and check one more bigger number. 9 4s are 36. 29 comes between this. Okay, but 36 is bigger, so table is not going on. 9 4s are 27 is right. So what is your quotient here? 3. So that 3 you will write at the top of 9, and this 27, it is the product, you will write here under the given number. Now subtract it. 9 minus 7 2, 2 minus 2 0, and now bring down next number. Now we have to read the table of 9 near about 22. So 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27. 22 lies between these. 27 is bigger, so table goes on. 9 2s are 18. So 2 we will write here and 18 under this, and now we will subtract. 12 minus 8 4. Here remains 1. 1 minus 1 0. Remainder is 4, but one more digit left. We will bring down this. Now it becomes 46. Now read the table. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. But our number is greater than this. So we will read one more table. 9 6s are 54. So 46 is here. The table will not go. Table 6 पर नहीं जाएगी because its product is 54 and 54 is greater than 46. So table goes on 9 5s. So our quotient is 5. 5 we will write here. 9 5s are 45. We will write under this. Now subtract. 6 minus 5 1. 4 minus 4 0. So what we get? What was given already? Dividend. And dividend was 2926. What was divisor? The number with which we have divided, that was 9. What was our answer? Quotient जो अभी हमने find out किया है, it is 325. See, this is your quotient 325. So this I have written here. And last one, remainder. What was our remainder? Our remainder was 1. So all these 4 values we have written. Now easily we can verify our answer. So to verify it, I will do here. So I will write the heading verify, and I will write the formula to verify. What is the formula? Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Means we have to multiply 9 by 325. So we will write under divisor, we will write 9. Quotient है हमारा 325. Remainder है 1. So firstly we will multiply these two. 325 multiplied by 9. 9 5s are 45. 4 goes as a carry. 9 2s are 18 plus 4 22. 2 goes as a carry. 9 3s are 27 and 2 29. And now we will add 1. 6 2 9 2. The right hand side answer is 2926. And dividend, what was our dividend? It was also 2926. It means both sides are equal. Hence proved, or you can write hence verified. It means now you have checked your division. आपका division right है. Clear? So wait, let me erase the board, then I will explain you next sum. The same way we will do B part. But in B part the divisor is big and it is greater than 20. It is 21. I told you na that if the divisor is in 2 digit, but it is between 10 to 20. 10 to 20 के mid में है. So what we will do? We will write the whole table here and easily we can find out our answer. हम पूरा table side में लिख लेंगे and then easily we will find out. Suppose I will take one example for you. Suppose 654 we have to divide by 18. Then what we will do, first of all I will write the table of 18 here and I will start from 18 zeros. 18 zeros are 8 0, 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90, 18 six are 108, 18 sevens are 126, 18 8 are 144, 18 nines are 162 and 18 tens are 180. Now it takes time to write the table, but now it become very easy for you to find out the answer of the division. We will divide by 18. So here in divisor 2 digit, we will take 2 digit from the dividend also. It is 65. Check where is 65 and which is the suitable table for 65. See, 65 lies between 54 and 72 here. So our table can't go on 8 fours. 8 fours 4 is not our answer because 65 here 72 is greater than 65. So table goes on 18 threes are 54. This is the right answer and this 3 is our quotient that we will write at the top, and 18 threes are 54. This product we will write under the given number and subtract it. 5 minus 4 1, 6 minus 5 1. Now here remainder is less than the divisor. Yeah, it is right. I told you that remainder should be less than the divisor, but we are not able to divide it. Our next step is we will bring down the next number. Now check where 114 lies. It is 90, 108, 114 lies here. So our table goes on 18 6 because 7s are to 126, it is greater than 114. So our table goes on 18 6. So 6 we will write here and 18 6 are 108. We will write here 108 and subtract it. 4 is small, we will borrow from here 14. 14 minus 8, it is 6. 0, it becomes 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is our remainder here? 6. What is our quotient here? Answer 36. What is divisor here? 18. How we will verify our answer? Verify कैसे करेंगे? Divisor multiply by quotient and then plus remainder. So 18 we will multiply by 36 and plus remainder 6. So firstly we will multiply this. 18 is our divisor, 36 is our quotient. So now firstly multiply these two. 8 6 and here dividend was 654. So 654 should be equal to this. 8 6 are 48. 4 goes as a carry. 8 3 are 24 and 4 28. Ones place multiplication over. Now we have to multiply by 10. So 1 place 0. 1 6 are 6. 1 3 are 3. And now we will add it. 8 14 6 648 and what we skipped here, अभी हमने क्या छोड़ दिया? We have to add the remainder also. So we will add here 6. 14, 5 and 6. It is 654. Yes, left hand side was also 654. Both sides are equal. So we will write here both sides are equal. And you will write in the next line, hence verified. It means our division is right. So in this way you can do the question. When the divisor is containing 2 digits and these 2 digits are less than 20 or less than 21, okay, then firstly you will write the table and then you will do your division. But in the case when the divisor is greater than 20, so you have not learned the table. above 20 आपको नहीं आती 20 से ज़्यादा tables, then what will you do? क्या करेंगे? So no need to be panic. I am going to tell you the trick to solve the divisor more when the divisor is more than 20. See, question exercise 5 beats B part is here. 654 you have to divide by 21 and you don't know the table of 21. You are not able to write in your rough area table of 21. Okay, don't worry. Write the dividend here inside the division. Write 21 divisor outside. Then what we will do? We will divide the dividend first digit by first digit divisor. Means 6 we will divide by 2 and we will get the rough idea कि table goes on 2 3s are 6. It means we got the rough idea that if we will multiply 21 by 3, we can get the answer. Here 2 digit in divisor, so in the here dividend also we will take 2 digit. So 21 ka first 2, 6 we have divided by 2, 2 3s are 6, table goes on 3s are. So now 21 we will multiply by 3 and we check is it right or wrong. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. It is 63. Multiply it by next number also because 65 is greater than 63 ना. तो एक बार चेक करते हैं 4 से. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. No, it become 84. So our right answer is, our guess was right, our estimate was right, that 21. If we multiply it by 3, 21 3s are 63 and 63 is the right answer. So 3 we will write above the given number and 63 we will write here and subtract. 5 minus 3 2, 6 minus 6 0. Now we will bring down next number. Now it is 21. 2 ones are 2. Yeah, so it means table goes on 1. 21 ones are 21, same number. Your quotient is 1. You will write it at the top. 21 you will write here. 4 minus 1 3, 2 minus 2 0. And now we have to check our answer. So कैसे check करेंगे? Dividend is equal to divisor. What is divisor here? 21. What is quotient here? 31. What is remainder? 3. Multiply these two. 1 ones are 1, 1 3s are 3. Now we have to do the multiplication by 20. So at one place we will put 0. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. And now add it. 1, 3 and 2, 5. Here 6. Now we will add the remainder in this. 654. Yes, left hand side was also 654. It means our answer is right. We can write the answer and we write both sides are equal. Hence verified. Okay, at the end you will write like this. Next question I am going to explain you. and wait. Yes, board is again cleaned. And now I am going to solve C part for you. 686 divide by 49. You will again think that ma'am, we don't know the table of 14. And the teacher will say, okay my dear student, no need to worry, we will use the same trick here. Divisor 2 digit, from the dividend also we will take 2 digit. But firstly we will divide the bigger number by divisor. So 6, first number we will divide by 4. The table goes on. 4 ones are 4. It means if we multiply, we have taken the idea that if we multiply 49 by 1, then we can get our answer. So 49 ones are same number, but this number is 68. Check with the next table also. 49 multiply by 2. See what is the answer then. 9 2s are 18, 1, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. It is 98. Now erase this. 68 is in between these number, but 98 is greater than this, so it is wrong, and our answer is 49. Ones are 49. So table goes on 1, that we will write on the tens place, and here I will write the same number. It become 18. 18 minus 9 9. Here it remain 5. 5 minus 4 1. Bring down 6, because 19 is smaller than 49. 196, same trick. Here we can't able to take one digit because 1 is smaller than this. We will try to take 2 digit and we divide it by 4. 19 divided by 4. 4 4 just 16. 4 5 are 20. So our rough idea is the table goes on 4 4s are. So we will multiply 49 by 4 and we check. 4 9 ja 36, 3 here, 4 4 ja 16 and 3 19. 196. Yeah, here number is also 196. So it means it is correct. The table goes on 4s are. So this 4 is your quotient. You will write at the top, and under this you will write 196 and then subtract it. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 14. Divisor is 49. You will verify your answer. How? Dividend is equal to divisor 49 multiplied by quotient 14 or plus remainder. Now multiply these two. 49 multiplied by 14. 4 9 are 36. 3 here. 4 4 are 16 and 3 19. 10 multiplication we have to do. So firstly 1's place for 0. Now 1 9's are 9. 1 4's are 4 और अब हम इसको ऐड कर देंगे 6 9 plus 9 18 1 4 plus 1 5 and 1 6. So right hand side is 686. Left hand side dividend already 686. Both sides are equal. So you will write here both sides are equal. Hence verified. Okay. So in this way you can do these questions. And see, D part you have to divide by 11. You will write the table and easily find out. Then E part, D part is 902 divided by 11. ये तो बहुत easy है. You will write the table of 11 here and then find out. Then E part is 562 divided by 18. 18 table you also know. So write the table and do the division. F part 552 divided by 48. Here you have to apply same trick. See 48, firstly we will check it by 4, और आप एक चीज़ और भी कर सकते हो, you can round off 48. 48 is near about 50 ना, तो आप इसको राउंड ऑफ कर लेते हैं 50 में. दिस नंबर आल्सो यू विल राउंड ऑफ इन 60. ओके, बट दिस यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू. सो फर्स्ट ट्रिक इज बेटर, वही सेम बेटर है. डिवाइजर इज इन 2 digit, डिविडेंड आल्सो वी विल टेक 2 digit, but we will check with the first digit. We will divide the first dividend by first divisor, means 5 को you will divide by 4. So 4 की टेबल में 5, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Our table can go only on 1. 48 we will multiply by 1. Answer is 48, but here dividend 55 है, तो नेक्स्ट नंबर से भी चेक कर लीजिए. 2 8 just 16, here 1, 2 4s are 8 and 1 9. It is 96. 96 is greater than 55. So table goes only 1. So you will write here 1 and under this 48. It is 5. You have to borrow. Make it 15. 15 minus 8 7. 5 has given borrow to 5. Now it will remain 4. 4 minus 4 0. Bring down 2. Now it becomes 72. फिर से चेक करते हैं फर्स्ट डिजिट से. फर्स्ट को 4 2s are 8. No, 8 is bigger than this. It means again table goes on 4 1s are 4. So same number 48 1s are 48. If we check it with 2s are, the answer is 96. So 96 is greater than 72. नहीं होगा, तो same answer 1, and here we will write 48. 12 minus 8 4, here remains 6, 6 minus 4 2, and there nothing to bring down, so this become your remainder. Next step you have to verify, and verify करने के लिए same rule, dividend equal to divisor, divisor here 48, quotient is 11, remainder is 24. So इन दो को multiply करते हैं and we check whether our answer is right or wrong. In your rough area you can multiply here. 1 8s are 8, 1 4s are 4. Put 0 here. 1 8s are 8, 1 4s are 4. 8, 8 plus 4 12, 1 goes carry, 528. In this, now we will add the remainder, and our remainder was 24. 8 plus 4 12, 1 goes, 2 2 4 and 1 5. Yes, it is 552. Right hand side become 552 and left hand side was already 552. It means our answer is right. So बच्चे, I have explained 5-6 sums to you. Rest are your homework. You have to do yourself. So your today's homework is exercise 5B, question 1. All the parts you have to do in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.